Are you ready?
Ready!
Yeah! Are you ready for an adventure?
Yeah! Yes.
Why not? Where are we going today?
Sileng Hot Spring Taiwan.
Alright, here it's kind of difficult to find a place to park, so first you have to find a place to park. You can see we parked our car over there. But what's the name of this mountain?
士林温泉，它在复兴尖山。
Okay. Fuxing Mountain, right? In Fuxing District.
对。
Okay, guys, let's go. From where we parked our car, the mileage sign on the road is 58.8 kilometers. We're going to walk down to 58.5 kilometers. That's 300 meters. That's where the trail to go down the mountain to the waterfall is. Once you pay attention to this mileage sign on the road, 58.5 kilometers.
We're going down here?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
这边有些青苔，所以要穿登山鞋或者是防滑鞋过来，不然很容易会滑倒哦。
Yeah. So the route is kind of slippery, so it's better you put on something that is kind of better shoe that will have a better grip to avoid slippery. And also there are some signs that there are snakes around, so one should be cautious and pay attention to those kind of stuff. You know what I'm thinking about?
Going back.
Yep, exactly.
好，请回，请，现在停，上去。
The return.
就是说回程的时候。
Gotta do return. 不要说。That was so horrible, man.
Yay! 我们很棒哦！
你穿拖鞋不会滑吗？有一点点。哎，是哪这个水？
太平了，太平了，太平了！我听了，这是啥？谁？ How long we walk?
Yeah, I know. Right, it's 40 minutes.
Right now?
40.
40. Wow.
Hey, this part is very slippery, huh? Be very, very careful.
Careful, eh?
Be very careful.
Here is, you can see there are people camping right ahead of us, so it's a good place also to come and have a nice camp in the wild. How do you say camping in Chinese? Huh? 露营? 露营不是 take a video 吗? 露营
No, record is And then camping is 露营。露营。营。
问的那个营。
哦，营。露营。That's a huge camp here.
小心影响哦。
Let's go ahead. Follow the level.
Hello.
Hello, morning.
Good morning. How many days you spend here?
Like
2 days.
1 night, 2 days, 1
Next
night.
day.
Okay, how's the camp?
Nice.
Pretty
Good?
nice.
Nice.
All right. Hey, thank you. All right. All right, so we missed the road a little bit, so one has to be very careful. The area is a camping area. And so you want to follow these red markings on the trees, just like Basian Waterfall. Yep. When coming here, I would recommend you to go to the gym for like a month. Yeah. No, 1 week is still not enough. One needs to go to the gym, do some work on the treadmill to strengthen your knees, because it's a hell of a load on the knee. Because here, oh my gosh, I've been doing some workout recently at the gym, but right now I'm feeling like I haven't been working out for a year or so. Sorry. Let's go. Go, when you get down somewhere you can take more your people. Are you okay? Sorry. Pickle and tongue. Use the rope at all times. Use the rope.
记得我们上次去八仙瀑布，这边比八仙瀑布的难度还要更高，因为它这边真的太陡了，所以来这边真的要小心你的脚步，好吗？
哎，哎，
这个路很滑、很小条，而且很陡，要小心哦，真的很危险。 发现它的温泉只有小小的一块，所以很难就是挤到非常多人，而且它的水不够深，所以你没有办法整个泡进去，所以这是有点小可惜的地方。如果下次来这边呢，会想要去玩它的瀑布，因为它的那个水非常的看起来很棒。所以下次来的话，应该会想来夏天的时候来玩。
So man, how do you feel like coming here? Do you think it's
man, yeah, it is worth it, man. I mean, you have two sides, yeah. This side is a little bit colder, and that side is warmer. That's like the natural hot spring. It is fun. It is worth it. No regrets. I mean, I didn't want to leave, but you know, it's gonna get darker outside, so we gotta leave. We're from Taipei, you know, and this far away from Taipei, so. And friends, of course. You can't come alone. I mean, it is not an easy hike, so it's better to have someone to come along with. I mean, in case.
Hiking up here, going back, the return is very, very difficult. We just got lost, and it's like I'm completely exhausted. We also got lost. It's easy to get lost, you know? Yeah.
coming soon?
Yeah, we're almost there. 加油！
加油！
Oh my God, we finally made it out. Yeah, can you tell the viewers like how difficult is it to come here and to come up here?
我觉得还好哎，还行哎。
Okay, all right, and
我觉得就是泡汤的地方有点小，但是假如夏天来玩会很赞。
很好玩，
Okay.
对，真的很
没有夏天来玩真的很赞，真的很棒哎，那边真的很棒，还可以游泳，然后可以烤肉。
对。
okay,
夏天的神棒，夏天来。
okay,
温泉的热不够多。
对
okay, all right, thank you. Okay, all right. Okay, bye bye.